Some think that when he was around 28 to 30 years old, he suffered from depression. On a page in his notebook that includes a drawing of a water clock and a sundial, he writes, "We do not lack devices for measuring these miserable days of ours, in which it should be our pleasure that they not be frittered away without leaving behind any memory of ourselves in the mind of men." This idea of a depressed Leonardo correlates with a poem written by a friend about him around this time. One of the lines from that poem goes, "Leonardo, why so troubled?" We like to believe that great people from history, people who change the world and impact our lives, are different from us, almost as if they don't suffer from the same problems we do. But that's just not true. Leonardo da Vinci is one of the most celebrated artists in the world, someone who created one of the most famous pieces of art in human history and left behind a legacy of innovation and scientific discovery that we're still learning from and admiring today. Yet despite such achievements and such talent, Leonardo still battled with the same emotional and distinctly human problems we face today.